So you're doing your root pass. Root pass is normally yours. You go back and front, back and front, back and front. When you turn this material, it look as if you welded here because it's going to weave here. Understand? That's your root pass. So after root pass, you now do your hot pass. Next hot pass will be same middle. Then after hot pass, you now start doing capping. For this one now, you weld one root pass, one hot pass. So you're going to weld 5 times to cover this road. For those that are welded to, but most of you that have not gotten to this level, you will weld on a flat. That's why I said that you bring that H beam. You will grind that H beam and weld on a flat surface. Before you now start going on this. When your hand not strong for here, before you now start thinking of going on this. Now this is the same thing. This one now, if you are welding flat, 1F, you keep it flat. You cannot even near it because it will fail. If you go and weld your hand, it will fail test. And if fail test, nobody wants to hire a welder that fails test. So practice. That's why I bought all these things. See all these things. A length of this pipe, we bought it 45,000. It's for practice. So your work, if you cannot bevel your material, you cannot weld. You don't have to use filing machine. You cannot weld because if you go for company, nobody will bevel the remaining one. You draw a line to help you. If your hand is not straight, bevel the remaining one. When you finish beveling, keep it like that for today. And warm your hand on all this. When your welding is straight and your welding is clean, you don't need to chip it for the carbon to peel. If you do it like this, it will peel. If your sequence is, your welding sequence is correct, everything, once you touch it, it will peel on its own.